Hello, welcome to YouTube channel made by AI. Today, we're going to see some amazing art made by AI. AI is short for artificial intelligence. It means a computer program that can do things like humans. AI can make beautiful, different drawings that will make you say wow. So, get ready for a fun trip like no other. Rocket. Part 1. How AI can make art. AI has gotten better at making art in the last few years. It can make different shapes and colors. It can also copy how famous artists draw. AI can change how we make and see art. Let's see how AI can turn a simple drawing into a great one. Paintbrush. Part 2. How AI makes art. To make our AI art, we'll use a special AI program that can learn from many pictures. It can make new, different drawings from what it knows about art. It uses two things called machine learning and neural networks. They help the AI learn and create. Brain. Part 3. The art comes alive. Now, let's watch as our AI program makes the art. As the drawing goes on, you'll see how the AI adds each line and shape. It mixes colors and textures to make a beautiful piece of art. It's amazing to see an AI art come to life. Glowing star. The end. And that's it, a wonderful drawing made by AI. As we saw today, AI can make many kinds of art. We hope you liked this fun trip, and don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel made by for more cool AI stuff. See you next time. Hand waving.